With one click, we can export code for 5 or 6-sided drilling machines. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, go to Extensions, one click, and Setting. We're going to set up the machines. Go to Post Processor, select Add New, and select the machine. For example, the machine for MPR file format. We can adjust general parameters, and for other settings and advanced settings, we don't have to interfere or adjust anything because they are all set up. We can change the name and type in the default folder to save the file. Export to parts or all parts. We can select whether to export file for all the parts or just the parts that are going to be drilled. For example, some parts are not going to be drilled, will not be exported if we select Tool Part. Tooled Faces Export. One file per part means export one file for parts or export one file for a face. Dimension. Overall dimension means the dimension that include edge banding, and net dimension means the dimension that doesn't include edge banding. Select the panel origin, whether it's bottom left, bottom right, top left, or top right. And the part orientation, whether it's horizontal or vertical. Outer boundary. Only use non-bounding box segment or use outer boundary. And this is the format for the name. So that's it for general parameters. And we do quite the same for the BC machines for CIX file format. Just adjust general parameters. Next, we move on to label. We can create new template or use the default template and edit them. For example, edit this one. For more instructions on how to edit label, I'm going to show you in another video. But one notice that for 5 or 6-sided drilling machines, we're going to need 2 QR codes for the 2 faces or 2 barcode. For the value to show in the QR code, we're going to refer to the available variables. Just copy the exact variables and then paste into the box. Separate them with a comma. We can use as many variables as we want from the list. And do the same for QR2. For example, this is for MPR. Actually, when we export code with the MPR format file, this sheet is gonna be hidden. And hit save. Or I can also change others. Wait until it's updated. And now we practice exporting code for these cabinets. Select them, hit Post Processor, select the machine. Type in the project name and the code. And template. This is the template for the label. We can select one from the list, for example, MPR, and then hit execute, and the file is saved in the folder that we set up. In a package, there are MPR files and also a cut list in which we can see label file and CSV files.